Hello everyone, how to do it? I'm back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to get started or how to create your account on Animagic Anime Art Generator app. So first of all, you need to install it. Then simply tap on the open button. Then you can see the interface like this. Just wait to get interface. So simply tap on the continue one more time, and you can see here it's already you're on the interface, so you don't need to create your account first. So okay, I'm just going to type something, create a beautiful nature. So I'm just going to show you, and you can choose the model here. There are a lot of models here like Mid Journey, Anime, Dream Shaper, Tonyu. So those are a premium. I'm just going to choose fantasy. Mid Journey is premium, and then you can select the aspect ratio and forward through. So okay, so it's not possible to customize, so you have to one by one and choose setting. So you can give negative prompt and high resolutions on, but you need to, this feature is not supported. Okay, and after that simply tap on the generate was an ad. So create a beautiful nature. So you need to watch an ad, so I will watch ad and then come back. So after watching ad, you can see they give you some nature, but I don't think it's a prefer. But I choose fantasy, that's why like this. If you choose other different, for example, I can just cut it. This fantasy. If you choose anime or other, then it will work. And you can create your account and unlock premium package. You can get here. So it's really simple. You can use this way, or you can create your account, you can join Instagram and others, and you can see here different model inspirations, so you can choose any of them, then you can try.